Friday, and there we go, our friends. Happy Friday. We did it. It's 9:32. As always, we're brilliantly early to this thing, but it was my fault. Trading Cowboy was nice and on time. My light died. I got discombobulated. And then I wanted to try this new little setup here. You're seeing us a little bit larger, but you're also getting to see both of our trade ovates at the same exact time. Now, admittedly, generally speaking, our trades are pretty much in sync with each other because I follow a lot of what Trading Cowboy does. He's a very good trader. He passes a lot of evals. He makes a lot of money, so pay attention to him, like I do. But in the off chance that we disagree, you'll get to see the disagreements.
Yeah.
Man, so yesterday we missed out on the short of all shorts. That thing just kept sinking, man. Just from, look at this, from 10:30 on, just boo, kaboom. Now we've been just kind of in this consolidated chop fest range ever since. When we zoom out though, bear with me for a sec. Well, let's go down the 1 hour instead. So looking at the 1 hour, I feel like we're right in kind of this range, the middle of this range after that fall. So we have a potential of really selling off here. We might be able to come down to like the 24,000s, 560s, 488s, 421s. Okay, yeah, we probably got to fix it. I just gotta look at it. Or screw the bull or screw the bears, right? Instead, we start rocket shipping up. We blast through 25,000, and then we could go a heck of a lot higher. So again, we're kind of at that pivot point. We'll have to see what happens, up or down. One of them is hopefully gonna happen. How are we feeling this morning, though, sir?
15 minutes.
Yeah, what's the 15?
Good morning, Charles. Good to see you, buddy.
Hey, there he is, Charles. You're the first one today, bud. Look at you. Bright and early for the class. What tidbits of wisdom do we have today, Charles? Man, unfortunately, my microphone shadow.
We need some.
Yeah, right? I always love Charles. He goes, first 3 million didn't work out. I'm working on number 4. I love that. So good. All right, so 9:35, we finally have our opening 5-minute range, which again, I haven't even really paid attention. 700, holy jeez, 800. We've had a 100-point range already. 100-point pops there.
Insane, right?
Pop, lock, and drop it here. So let's see if we get a full candle closure below our 5-minute range, and maybe that'll tease us to going back down to like the 650s and potentially 620s. As of now, I'm working on Millie number 14, he says. Charles working on Millie number 14. We're sitting at previous day low right now, though. Oh man, you're in a friggin' long ski, aren't you? You stinking devil.
Yeah, I had to get the jump on you this morning, man.
Man, let me know.
I just tried to catch that bottom right there. Just one real small. Gonna see how we can ride it if it doesn't come back down. So
oh shoot!
It may just wick right back down, but we got that VWAP in 21 right above it. So
man, I didn't even see until it was too late that you were in it, man. Let me know though. We're not truly in a competition, man.
now everybody can see our screen.
Right, trying to help people be better. Yeah, hopefully I didn't just bobble up my first trade. I went in way late compared to you, man. You're still nice. Wow, yeah, you got it right at the bottom there. Shoot, man. I wasn't even thinking either. I just saw it. I'm like, all right, momentum play. Let's try it. Love you.
Yeah, man, just right back down. Probably should have took that 30 points or better a while ago, but
yeah, and I probably shouldn't have entered.
It's trying to hold, just getting a little iffy. I don't like that it rejected the VWAP so hard, but I guess the pretend VWAP. So
here's our new candle right here. Hopefully get a little bit of saving grace here.
But we can't lose on it now, so. Man, we just can't get over that right there. It just keeps rejecting right off of it.
The blue line of resistance.
Yeah. Really, I just wanted to see if we could get that 100 points back.
Yeah, shoot, man.
Don't do it.
Yeah,
Alright,
shit.
I'm out of that trade.
I shouldn't have followed. That was a FOMO on my part, man. Oh, what a terrible FOMO. Darn it, man. Yeah.
Now we're
That
gonna
was...
kind of look.
Fuck.
I mean, probably should have stayed in a hair, but if this pushes back down, let's see how far up it goes. We probably should have stayed in a little bit longer because that 683, pretty good support, but we had to wick through that 725 pre-market candle. I guess 825 year time was kind of a
Yeah. Yeah.
There was no wick on it on a 5 minute, so makes me want to try short, but I don't want it to trick me.
Yeah, Nvidia's dropping right now. Qs are still angling down. ES is angling down. VIX is going up a little bit. I mean, we have the Asian low, 644, 626. Yeah, shoot. As always, stopped out in the perfect spot, you know. Oh man, you know, every single day you sit down in the chair and you think,
I'm gonna try another one right there, just see if we can get that push.
You're getting along?
Stops will be below these two candles.
Alright. Let's get some money back.
It may just push straight back down, but I thought we would get that pump.
Yeah.
It may just chop me right out right here. Dadgummit.
Come on, gang. What time is it? Well, we're about to get a new 5-minute candle in 20 seconds if we can survive it. Come on, 13 more seconds.
Straight downside.
Not good. Not good.
Yeah, I'm out of that.
Hey, driving obsession. Let's swim today. All right. Well, so far, sir, 2 trades in, down 719.
We're in the water, but not good.
Literally, what a beautiful start to the day. Let's see if we tap these 618s here, 620s. Oh shit, that did go through. That's weird. Shoot, man, I clicked that a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell it's doing. That was weird. Well, there you go.
Still hard push down.
Got a little guy back. Got a little one back.
There we go.
Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. What a start to the day.
Huge push back up on that pop. Wasn't really expecting that.
Well, this is kind of our triple, could be a triple bottom now, right? Because we have our 630 candle, 815 candle. Man, Nvidia is just
right
sinking. Qs are just sinking. Man, we're going to try to ride this short a little bit, I think. Honestly, don't even know what the target would be right now. Well, shoot, we just took out London lows. 540s could be a target. I'm gonna take one off there. Ooh, it's starting to dance a little bit. Because we're at the 80s. Just getting a little bit nervous around the 80s, right?
Yeah.
Take another
Yeah, it looks
off.
like that's kind of back. We got a pivot point at 590. and then 561.
Got 2 in profit. Still got 1 left. I'll try to bring it back to break even. See if we can't get a good runner off of it. Come on. Keep sinking. Keep sinking. Keep sinking. Let's see. I mean, immediate target 564. Nope, stopped out. Oh, he's still in it. Nice, man. Are you in a long? I can't even tell, actually. The screen's too small on my screen. You're in a long right now?
Oh, I was just trailing it real tight. It was getting pretty iffy right there.
Yeah.
I really wanted that 590 to hold, but
yeah,
I wicked below it a little bit, so I was a little nervous. But a little crazy right here. Wow.
Man, look at that volatility. Yeah. Shoo! Ripping up, man. Ripping up. 80-point candle right there.
Yeah, how do you jump in a long after that?
Right.
Or a short.
Man, not like we need to be bigger or anything, but I guess we can make ourselves a little bit bigger here.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. I wish I could make the screen just a little bigger. Alright, man, so came all the way down here to the 580s, just a blast up here to the 720s. Good God. We're right at our 45, right below VWAP right there. You'd think we'd have to get some type of a curl down after such a huge rip up.
Yeah, I mean, we got those lows taken out. Maybe a small little pullback here, maybe, and then maybe try for the highs now.
Yeah. Yeah, so we took out our London lows. We took out Asian lows, obviously. So maybe we're coming up to take out the highs now. So 15-minute range is now fully set. We're starting to go back up towards the high of it, which would be 800s. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Trading Cowboy's got his funding going. You can tell by his face.
Well, I don't know. I shouldn't even tell y'all probably, but really at this 786, if it pushes that high to it, I may look into it just a quick little short scalp if it just pushes right to it. Got about a second left on this candle. See what this candle does.
Damn.
Well, I was wanting it to push up just a hair. I'm gonna try just one small one right there.
Yeah, I like it.
I want a fast push down, really, but oh, are they strong today?
Strong. Oof. Yeah, we're gonna get a fast pop right here to wick us. Let's see. New candle to save us. New candle to save us.
Yeah. I think so. Look at that, chat.
Yep. Took one
Got
off
one
just
off
to be
right
safe.
there.
Yep, me
Back
too.
to break even just in case.
Ah, shit. I didn't get my break even fast enough. I would have gotten stopped out of it anyways.
We got about 30 out of it so far, 30 points. and stopped out. I think we still have a little bit of downside though, honestly, but
Yeah. Shoot.
it pulled it right back up, so this could be a little bull flag, but
Yeah, it stopped out. Let me open these curtains real quick.
this is kind of our next high. I'm gonna try another one right there.
Ugh. You say you're trying another short?
Yeah, do not follow that though.
Dang.
Yeah, I just ate it right up.
Shoot.
I think we're gonna push right through those highs now, guys. 864s.
We might have some resistance up here at 876. Man, yeah, Q's just blasted off. Nvidia curled up well. VIX is still shooting up. 948. Oof. Down 660 though. We got to do better than that.
Ooh.
So man, what are the plans for tomorrow? Are you a Valentine's Day person or not really?
Oh, I mean, 25 years. I don't know. I mean, kind of, sort of, but we're not really
Yeah.
gonna do anything special then. So we got a couple things coming up. So
Yep. Man, we're the same way. And I was talking to my Josh, my partner that we were building the fireplace with.
yeah,
It's kind of funny. The people, and I don't mean to say this in such a bad way, but it seems like the people that go all out in Valentine's Day are the people that aren't together anymore. Like every
Right.
single time. It just seems like I don't even know. Like it just seems like if you're the type of people that have to go all out and have to show it off on Instagram, Facebook, and all that other stuff, those are the people that are like the rockiest relationships that you'll ever see. And then the people that
Yeah.
really don't really celebrate it, and it's just another day, are the people that, generally speaking, I feel like have really strong, solid foundational relationships where, every single day you're doing those little tiny things anyways. You don't have to make up for it in one big,
for 60
extravagant day.
points.
Are you long and shorting right now?
Yeah, we're short. So
Fuck,
we were
man, I
short
can't
from
even-
844.
Shit, dude, nice.
Look at here, coming up on 100 points.
Come on, man. You
Look
should
at
have.
that, chat.
I didn't even hear it.
Look at that. 100
Woo!
points.
Dude, 100-point
I'll have one
ripper
more.
on the
Let's go
stream
for it
live,
today.
boys. Jesus, man, you just got 100 points. Damn it, I didn't even hear it. Like, I'm just over here talking about stupid stuff, man. You just made a 100-point trade.
Well, you had that. You said, I'm going to go raise those curtains. And right before you did that, I said, okay, I'm going to try one more time up here on this short. Just
Damn
coming
it.
back to that. I got in a little early, but that 824 is where I entered again, hoping that was going to be another resistance area. And they did it to us last week on the highs and the lows. But,
Yeah.
we would think, okay, yeah, we're definitely going to get our high push through or our low push through, and then that stop us 10, 20 points below it. So I was
What if-
hoping that 824. I added 2 back in at the 844, or a little above that, I guess, and then sold a couple as it dropped down. But
Dude,
Yep.
monster trade.
looks like we could have got 150 out of it. But
Holy shit,
we'll
man.
take
And
100.
what were you riding on that? I couldn't even see it. Was it one contract, or how many contracts you said? You had
Yeah,
4?
so
3?
yeah, I had 2 here at the 820s, 829. I added 2 more at the top of that wick. So when I sold my last one, the average was 844.
Damn, dude.
So
Nicely
844
done.
down to, I tried to get it at the 840s, but I think it got it at 848 or 45, something
Yeah.
like that.
So what are you up on the day?
So 604.
Nice, dude. Nice. All right,
Not bad for micros.
let's get the next one. Son of a bitch.
See, it scares me here, but now that I got cushion, I want to YOLO along. Though the 15's telling me don't do it. The 5's telling me not to do it.
Yeah, ES is looking a
We
little
kind of got
weak.
some support at 685.
And Nvidia and everybody's kind of filling out their bear flags as well. What time is it? 9:52:34. 48. Yeah, I almost want to go short instead. Let's see what this new candle does. Oh, you just popped along?
Yeah, I'm gonna try just one right there. My stop's gonna be pretty big now. I'm gonna move it back up to the bottom of those wicks. I mean, we're already up 16 points.
Yep.
20 points.
Yep.
22 points.
Yep.
Just gonna trail it
Yep.
down. Look at that, guys.
Yep. Yep.
Look at that, guys.
Beautifully
50,
done.
50 points. I'm out.
Beautifully done. Look at that. 50-point trade. This dude just did a 100-point trade. And then his very next trade was a 50-point trade.
Now look, guys, this happened several times yesterday. Had a real good chat yesterday with Zero Dawn, and these shelves right here played out every day or every time yesterday afternoon. So
Wow.
I've been really watching those and using those as support. Now this 1 minute candle didn't have that wick, so it's probably gonna have to come down here and make this wick. And then we're also getting these 3 wicks down, and each one was a little bit longer.
Yep.
So I think we may still get a pull, but
Yeah.
for right now, that 719 is a nice shelf.
Wow. Nicely done. I was about to go short, and I would have just been 50 points against me in the short. I'd have been pissed.
Don't fade the trading cowboy, guys.
Shoo! Right?
Actually, do fade me, because there's a lot of times you'll really bank. Yesterday, guys, if y'all would have faded me, y'all would have had like 600 points.
Yeah, man. That short, that was a huge short. That just would have been fun to be part of. But even that stuff, you know, it's so scary once you get into it and you make a little bit of money on it, and then it keeps going, going, going. It's so hard sometimes to re-enter because you're like, there's no way it's going to keep going. I already made a decent amount off this trade, so don't screw it up now type thing. So Nvidia's still looking awfully weak.
Yeah, I think this may be a little trap. Like, again, I mean, we don't have a wick on that previous 1 minute, so I think we really have to wick down.
Yeah.
We made a lower high on that candle. I'm kind of thinking this candle's probably going to do it. If we didn't have this little pretend VWAP right here, I'd be trying to short, but
yeah,
we
these
got
are
push right back up.
955
50
candle
points
right now.
there on that candle. 60
Yep.
points. Holy cow. See how we could have still used that shelf though, that 720, 719 area.
Yeah.
So
Man, it's a retraining your brain type situation too, because really I feel like since December, bull flags and bear flags haven't necessarily been playing out the way they seem to be, you know?
yeah, they haven't. And in this, you know, I played one yesterday on that little shelf, and it worked out so nice. And then we did it like 3 other times, maybe 4 other times.
Yeah.
And it was like a 20-point move every time. So
Wow.
and then that in Zero Dawn, then he called out a short, and he wrote it down for 90 points right there at the end.
Damn, dude.
So
That's a good solid day. It's a good trading
Yeah.
day.
yeah.
Shoot, man. Well, we got to inverse my account right now. Let's see if Nvidia gets some support here with this 1 minute candle. But yeah, big friggin' candles today, huh? These are 1 minute
Yeah, I mean,
candles
this
that are
is-
like literally 80-point candles. Crazy, man.
I mean, this would definitely get you right now if you're not in the right direction.
Right.
So yeah, I think we definitely have to. Well, yeah, we have to just did it, but it had to clean up those wicks right there.
Yep.
So let's see if it keeps pushing down. Might not. I mean, I'm almost consider taking one at the 685s, but that's just we're just going to be grabbing a knife.
Right.
Well, should have grabbed it. Should have grabbed it. Let's give it a little bit. We don't want to. We don't want to run out of luck.
Yeah. I mean, Nvidia is still falling, Qs are still curling, ES is still curling, VIX is forming kind of a bullish hammer candle.
mean, the 5's still telling us not to do anything long anyway. And we got the 1421, the VWAP, we got the 200 at 757. The 15's nasty.
Let's go, Miguel. Yeah, man, got a couple good ones. Trading Cowboy here just got a 100-pointer and then a 50-pointer. Boom,
Let's
back
go, Miguel.
to back to back. I've had a couple good trades, but I've also had, unfortunately, my first 2 trades were terrible. But man, that was literally such a, not even like a FOMO trade. I just looked up and saw you were in it, and I was like, shoot, I'll be in it. And I literally clicked in 40 points after you had entered. You know?
Yeah. I mean, is this going to be a bear flag or?
Yeah, just you're right. I mean, the hard thing.
About a minute and a half, but
Your
it's definite inverse hammer.
Your stop would have to be 100 points up. Your stop is at 802.
And we got that 100 points. We just don't want to give it back, right?
Yeah. I mean, if it pushes through the 680s.
Man, I mean, I really think we're building that little bear flag right out.
Yeah. We need to coordinate to try getting a payout together. That would be awesome. Man, that was going to be one of our concepts last week,
Yeah.
and I titled the video of it, like 25K challenge, and that was supposed to be my intent, and then things just went a little sideways with the wedding and everything else. But yeah, man, maybe like next Monday or the Monday after or something like that, we'll all start with fresh 50Ks, and it'll be like, I mean, friggin' Trading Cowboy does that in 2 days, you know? But hopefully he can help out the rest of us. Oh man, you're in a trade again. What are you? You're long right now.
I'm gonna go long right here. Stops just right below this. I mean, it's playing out as a nice bear flag, but I thought maybe we'd get a little quick pop.
Yeah.
My little blue line was running support, so there we go.
Woo.
Just gonna trail that
Oh
up.
shit! I didn't trail that fast enough. There we go.
No, it should have gave us a lot more, but
Still, man,
got one
friggin'
left. Took one off for like 20 points.
good call-outs though. Again, man, good call-outs.
All right, there's 30. All right, 30. So there's another 2 contracts. We got 20 on one, 30 on the other.
Come on, man.
And
Look
just
at
see
that.
how it was kind of riding. It really didn't want to get it low there. The bulls really started fighting.
Yep.
So we already had on a 1 hour. It was right at the bottom. That 697 was support on the 1 hour. So I was just hoping it was going to stick.
Yeah.
Cool. Should have stayed in it though.
Dude, pushing. Yeah, man, let's do that, Miguel. If you want to do a Trading Cowboy next Monday, let's do fresh 50s, and let's do a payout challenge. Let's see if we can pass and get a payout in the same exact week, which would be pretty incredible. And it'd just be good content.
Yeah. I may have to use 4 or 5 fresh 50s, but
Not
I'll
to
stick
put
with y'all.
not to put pressure on you, bud. Not to put pressure on you. I mean, everything's pushing up just a little, but I'm seeing some good resistance at like 776.
I don't like how that 1 hour doesn't have a wick on the bottom. It rejected off the 14 and pushed back down. It's kind of trying to come back to it, but we definitely got to get over that 14. Kind of making the cross of death right here, which tells me a little pullback. So
$776. Yeah, I see some good resistance here, unless it pops above it. I'm gonna just try one
Yeah,
little micro here.
It tried right there to get above it.
Man, it is a 10. it did dance 10 points pretty quick, actually. Actually, that was 15 points. I'm just on one, so I didn't really care to even take it yet. But
yeah, you know, I have to have the chart so small to get all the candles in there. You don't realize, wait a minute, I just moved 20 points and I didn't do anything.
Yeah, right. Yeah, but it's getting strength. I shouldn't be in a short right now.
I mean, here's kind of our final resistance, that 776. So
that's what I was thinking, yeah. I was pushing for the 776 push, but let's see.
there you go. There's a little drop.
Come on. Ah, shit. Well, I don't even know what I... Yeah, then I ended up with just 3 after all that. Nvidia's still pushing up.
You could have rode that maybe back down to the 692s, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, that was my original target, too, and I just get a little bit hard for me to hold the green, but easy to hold the red.
I hear you there.
You know?
We'll push right back up.
What are you shorting?
I'm going to try a short right there. I'm only going to give it about 20 points.
Fuck, there you go.
It's showing some strength now, though. It really bounced off that. There again, I mean, you look, our shelf 720. Where did it just bounce off of? So, I'm just going to bring that into profit right now. It may just stop it right out, but
yeah,
I think we're going to get a push up maybe.
Nice little base hits. That's all right. Base hits are good.
Yeah. Got 15 seconds left on this candle. Kind of got that 50-second push.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. And this is about to be our 5-minute candle. Let's see, chat. What can we do? Ooh. Little wicky. But it is kind of, I don't know. I mean, it's just wedging. You're right. Your blue lines tell the story perfectly. You know, we're just wedging.
Yeah, I mean, we're getting real tight right here. Something's fixing to go down for sure.
Yep.
See, it tested that 720, a little bit lower, pushed off of it. I like this 5-minute because it pushed straight down first. It's at half of that previous body, but
Oh, yeah.
oh, I'm also worried we're going to come down here and rip through the 664s.
And we're pushing pretty good right now, yeah. Huh. Man, the hard thing too is, can you even chase it short if it breaks 682s? Or will that be the fake out?
Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's slowing down already. I mean, see how it's kind of building momentum? Yeah, see right back over the 720. I don't know. I like the wick on the 5. I mean, is this the, on a 5, is that the bull flag we want?
Right.
Maybe, I don't know.
So
I can
Nvidia's
make
kind of at the
anything look
top.
like a bull flag goes.
Nvidia's at the top of its previous 2 candles. VIX looks like a good place to come down. Man, it's just been so weak the last couple days. It's hard for me to even trust a lot.
I know it. I know. You're telling me.
You know? Well, it's nice that I got my pup with me today. I just noticed that you're hanging out with me. You've been on the floor a lot lately. You're a good boy.
I'm going to try a long right there. It's got the top. I should have got it down here at the bottom. My stop's going to be way too big.
Oh yeah, it's a 50-point stop.
Yeah. See it push right back down. If this doesn't hold here at this line, I'll get right out the yellow.
I just got out clean. I got a little nervous. I got a little too nervous, chat. Just a nervous trader over here. Down 430 bucks. Ooh, this is a good pop.
I took 2 off there to make my average look better.
Yep.
Stopped it down here.
Come on. Let's see the push. Let's
The
see
worst
the
case, we're
push.
guaranteed 16 points. There we go. I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna go ahead and take one off right there. Now we look even better. Look, now we're in at the 28.
Yeah, now we're geniuses. Right? Now we're geniuses.
Look at that. There's 50 points.
Real good pump. Real good pump.
Look at that.
Look at that, man. Look at
80
that.
points.
5, 6, 7, 8. Shoot. I missed out on 30 points. Got
I'm gonna
out
go ahead and
too
go ahead and
early.
take it off right there. It goes back. Let's see if we can get that huge push.
Yeah, I mean, VIX is coming down real nice. Nvidia looks like it's ready to pump. Oh.
Fast push. Man, it just wigged down and took me. Hey, not
Yeah,
bad.
but
Where we at?
I think that means it's bullish, right? That probably means it's real
Yeah,
bullish.
I liked how it wigged right back up there, but
Yeah. We got a new 5-minute candle in 30 seconds here. I think it's gonna push.
yeah,
I
I
mean,
really
kinda
didn't
buying
expect
right
it
at
to
the
wig
top
down
now,
that
but-
fast and take me out.
I went with just
Don't
one
want to
little
get
guy.
in the top of that candle again. That's what I did a while ago. You did. You see, you can just do that.
Yeah.
That makes me nervous. I did it a while ago and almost got 8 up.
Yeah. Well, I always do it in the wrong time anyways. I am good at getting
But I mean, that was a bullish move.
Well, and I was hoping this new fresh 5-minute candle was going to be the push, but if it's not, then it's definitely coming down, 100 points. Yeah.
I'll try one with you right there, just to see.
Nah. I don't think it's any good. Alright. Take one off. There you go. There's your average trick. Now I look great. Now I look like a genius.
You there?
Yee! It didn't move the needle. I did a little bit, man. Honestly, just that first trade was so dumb of me to do. It was just such a silly, dumb trade. I lost $400 on my very first trade. And I literally just jumped in for no reason other than I saw you were in, and it was like a minute after you entered, and I just didn't fucking realize it. I'm like, you know what? We'll do it. Man, you're still riding it too. Hell yeah. Oh, that's a good pop. That's what we
Look at that,
wanted.
Cat. In from the 775s, 776. Come on. Just took another one off.
Shoot, dude. Shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia is still looking great. It's going up to its 9 right now. VIX is still coming down. ES is still right at the top of its
Another
session
50
range.
points, guys. Come on. There's another 50.
Shoo!
Cat.
Look at that. Is anybody
We're
following
just
these
handing it out
trades?
today.
Can we get a couple W's?
We're just doing 50 points for everybody. 50 points for you, 50 points for you.
You get a 50, you get a 50, you get a 50. Everybody gets 50 points. So I'm going to fade you really quick purely
All right, run
because,
her out.
wow.
Oh, yeah, you should.
Boom. In and
Look
out
at that.
quick. But man, I saw the 820s and I just thought, let's go with, I always forget his name, Ocala. Let's go with Ocala's thesis and banged
Yeah.
out a quick
Boy,
20
and you-
points.
Yeah, and you saw how it started slowing down right here at the top, and it created that little shelf.
Yep.
Perfect short.
Nope. Not bad. All right, 327. 327 on the date.
Let's go, guys.
Come on. And we got a whole lot of volume right here. We're just sitting right at the top of this shelf. So this would be our first 5-minute candle close above our 15-minute range if it closes. Not necessarily saying that means anything though, because I wouldn't be surprised if we are just in a giant range today, you know? We come back down here to 604 sooner than later. I honestly wouldn't doubt it. $832. Man, that is almost tempting. You put in the 1 micro short right now and you just sit for a half hour. Let's see.
Well, yeah, guys, and I've been playing with. I think my max has been 4 micros. Has been the max that I've put on.
Nice.
So,
and what are you up on the day now? What are you up on the day?
1,077. Look at that, guys.
1,077 using 4 micros. 4 micros. I just upgraded to 4. I was on 3. Now I'm gonna do 4.
Well, I've been going in with 1, maybe 2.
Oh, are you? And then you've been scaling. Yeah.
Yeah, and then so.
Nice, dude.
I've been kind of just doing kind of a mental, $100 to $150 stop.
Let's see if that blue
and
line.
in at the bottom of it if there's support. Nice drop. I mean, look at that. I mean, that bear flag played out nice right there.
Yep.
And we should have known because it's 15, tested above the box, made a lower high. Doesn't have a real wick at the bottom of it.
Here's a new fresh 5. This might honestly
right there. I'm gonna put my stop right at the top of that wick.
That's
maybe
what little.
Maybe a quick loss, but. Actually, I'm going to put it above those bodies right there at the 794s. I don't like that this candle's fixing to close and we're good and green, so
Yeah.
if it stops me out, I may just turn right around.
Oh, and go bullish instead.
Yeah, just off this green candle. Kind of not really the setup I want, but pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that was the perfect setup. Let's see what happens.
Well, I got stopped out of 1. I'm still in the other one.
And if we can keep that 794 as our resistance, there you go.
Try to get my money back. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, there's 20 points right there if anybody's in.
Yeah.
Feel free to take some off. There's 30. Took 1 off.
Damn it, man. Again, I got stopped at the perfect spot.
Hey, guys, now we're 50. What?
Shoo!
Another 50 point?
Shoo! Another 50. Another 50 pointer.
Come on, guys.
Get some W's in the chat.
Almost
Yeah,
70.
Nvidia's falling too, man. I mean, if we break 710, we're just gonna keep going. I might try to re-enter if we come up a little halfway here. Retest
I mean, guys,
the 20.
right now we're up 60 points. Our runner's at 20 points. We would take 20 points all day long, so we might as well just sit here and see if it rejects off this VWAP right here. We do have support at the 710s. It bounced a little earlier than that, so.
I'm gonna take one right here. I was trying to take it at the 45. I was trying to take it really at the 21, but.
Yeah, I mean, now I'm kind of thinking hopefully this 747 area is our.
Resistance.
See, we have that little shelf back here, these bodies right here at 748s, so.
Yep.
It did reject off of them, so.
Come on,
but
chat.
this candle closes there again.
Come on, chat.
Hopefully it pushes down a little bit because this is a nice green candle. I'd like to push back up. But come on, make us another bear flag.
Come on. Push through it. Let's see, Nvidia's still kind of going down. It's coming up a little bit though.
Yeah, we are getting a little bit of a pop. Oof, almost hit my runner. Okay, I'm out of that one, guys. I think I got 22. We had 70 at one point if anybody was smart enough to take it.
Yeah, man, that was a good friggin' trade. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out.
Shucks. Here's a little push back down. You know, hopefully it just needed to wick through this 21 to get this push back down now. I almost moved it above that, but yeah, see now we're getting a pretty good strong push. So maybe we got to clear those 725s. Push
shoot.
right back up.
Yeah. All right, we just gotta find the next one. That's all. Just gotta find the next one.
5-minute candles closing right here. Let's see what they're trying to close it green.
Shit, dude, it is already 10:20. Oh, the day goes so fast. This morning goes so fast. We're almost done with this project.
Nice push back up. They're trying to trap us. Yep. I'm gonna try one long right there. I'm gonna just put my stop down here. Well, I'm gonna bring it up a little bit actually. I'm gonna bring it up to the bottom of that wick. Just see if we can get this push. That if you look back, that 753 area has been holding really well.
Shoo! You don't have to tell me, buddy. Look at that. Look at that push.
Yeah,
Look at that. Beautiful, man.
Points, guys. 50 points.
Beautiful. Beautiful stinking trade.
60 points, guys. I'm out.
Look at that. Look at friggin' that, guys. I love it. Man, I
See how those shelves, see, and I just realized this yesterday, kind of, guys, as it was playing. We used to do this months ago. I would wait for these shelves,
yeah.
and then they kind of didn't work, and now they're kind of coming back.
Yeah.
So I'm using those as supports, and we're getting nice quick pops on it. And see, look at that. We trailed it.
Perfect,
we got
dude.
60 points maybe.
Perfectly
and
done.
right back down.
Perfectly done. See, man, yes. This is what we need. This is the energy. I love it. Perfect.
Now we're at $1,264 for the day.
Shoo! Nice, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm still, which is frustrating. I'm still down. I'm 275. I got to scale in better. All right, next one we're gonna scale a little better.
And yeah, guys. I mean, that was one micro that I put on right there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean,
And
again.
now I'll tell you, I wouldn't be playing this loose per se if it was a mini,
Right.
because I probably would have already lost 2 or 3 evals.
Oh yeah. Oh
with
yeah.
This price action.
But still, it just shows you, man. One bite, right? The whole one bite.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's see if this thing can focus on it. Man, I can never do this correctly. There we go. Look at that fireplace, man. This is everything we did. We did all those ceilings so far. We did that giant chandelier. Then we just did that entire fireplace. Amazing, right?
That is nice.
Shee. That's why it's taking so long. It's a process.
Heck yeah.
So, man, NVIDIA still looking weak. ES still looking weak. Q still looking weak. VIX still looking like it wants to bull flag and pop up.
And if that was an 8-foot ceiling, you wouldn't even need a ladder. But
I know it.
that's all you got to have a scaffold, don't you?
Yeah, man, 20-footer. Which hopefully we're bringing everything down today. We just got to do one more chandelier and then do the mantle and then doing some built-ins.
Nice. Nice.
Some built-ins.
And those 720s are still treating us pretty nice right now. I mean, we're still getting that bounce on them or above them. But
Yeah, real good bounce.
I mean, the 5, we're still kind of maybe building out that bear flag.
Yeah, we didn't get the full candle closure above the 15-minute range. We ended up just wicking above it and then immediately dropped back down. We haven't tested midline in a little bit.
I'm sorry, guys. I was looking at a bear flag. I was looking at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has a nice little bear flag, but it's getting a pump right now.
Yeah. Maybe up
I
to
moved
it.
it over to this chart, and I was like, why don't I see that?
Pop up to its 9 just so it can fall down.
Yeah. And that's something else. So you use the 9 too, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to put that on later today. Zero Dawn was talking about it. He uses that 9 for all his 1-minute rejections also. So
Yeah.
and it kind of looked like at our 1030 candle, maybe even our 930 candle yesterday, where it took that big drop. It touched my 21 and rejected hard.
Yeah.
And it did the exact same on the 9. So
Yeah.
the 9 was kind of topping the 21 when it did that. So
Ruben Garcia is huge into the 9. It always comes back to the 9, he says. Which, I mean, lately, though, I'll agree the 21 almost seems to be a little bit of a better barometer. Just the nice thing about the 9 is you can see the crossover happen, too. Like when the 9 crosses the 21. Yeah. So
I have the... Go ahead.
Yeah, I was going to say, on my chart, it's green. It's the green one. My green one is my 9. My red one's my 21. It's whenever the green crosses the red, you know, like this is bullish right now. Flips, flops, then it's bearish.
Yeah. See, I use the 21, but I let it wick through it.
Yeah.
And that's how I do my confirmation. So I think that wick is probably touching your 9, but I don't know where the 9 is. So I'm just saying, okay, it's going to wick through 5 points or 8 points or...
Right. Yeah, like look at this. This wick is directly on the 9. It's also directly on these bodies, but...
Okay, yeah, see? And it didn't even touch my 21, so technically I'd be sitting here waiting, saying, okay, it's got to wick through my 21 before I can go long, and it went without me.
Mm-hmm.
I may add that in for a couple days and see how it looks.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got the 14 and 21 on my trading view, and I use them as a crossover, so I want my 14 above the 21 to be long, but maybe going to the 9, using 9 candles.
Just as a, just an extra, I don't know, extra little layer of confluence, right?
Yeah.
Man, so we'll see. We keep bumping our heads against this ceiling here. Are we going to actually break through it this time? We got to break the 811s here, which we're doing right now. And then we still haven't touched our early morning session, 864. Which we spiked up at 703, actually, is last night. Just had a real strong rally there. Yeah, this is
it's tricked us every time.
This is a huge resistance point right here. Which you're right, tricking us every time. Like, I want to go short right now and watch. This is finally the time that it's going to fully pop through.
Yeah. I like that we're back above the box. I'd like this candle to close above it on the 15. Yep. Even the 5, I guess. The 5 could close above it, but you know, every time we close above it, we usually go retest it and then we push. So I don't know if we'll get that retest or
Ooh.
we're breaking out of this channel.
Boom,
Oh yeah,
boom,
good
boom,
push.
boom, boom.
I'll try one just right there. Stop's going to be below 807. Just to see if we can get these pushes.
Yeah.
Maybe we can't.
I know, I'm a little
It just kind of came back and retested that entry area, so.
Yeah. Get a nice little push off of it, though. Ooh,
Look at that, guys.
Nice push. Nice
There's one
push.
off. Gonna try the other one.
Q's a nice pop up too.
I'm gonna go and trail this all the way up here to the top of it.
Man, I mean, it could go all the way up to the 900s, really. That's where we have our other hour candle bodies hanging out.
You know, we could get that 50-second push right here, but it kind of started stalling out on me.
Yeah.
I took the first one off at 30-something points, so we got, I don't know, 35 or so out of that second one. So.
I'm going to try a quick little fade if I can. Let's see. Just targeting the bottom of that body. Come on. Come on. Something better than that, please.
You know, I do like the little shoot right here. It's trying to pull back. This candle could get closed. You know, we didn't get that 50-second push, so that's definitely a bear.
Yeah, I got out. I got out already. I got a quick 10 off of it.
Sweet.
Quick 10. Keep the doctor away.
Heck yeah. See, kind of, well, it made him push all the way back up. I was going to say it pushed nice halfway and rejected, so, but probably just need to wait a few minutes, see what this plays out right here. Need to start being patient. Feel like we can't miss today.
Yeah, man. I know it, man. I know. Yeah, we're feeling good. This has been a really fun trading day, man. Even though I'm down a little bit, this has been a really fun day.
Yeah.
Man, I just had to be patient. That first trade really screwed me up. Yeah, man. Here we go. 900s. Crazy. Which we have some wicks up to the 910s on the 1 hour. We have some wicks up to like the 930s, 940s. Beyond that, you know, then it's kind of empty pocket up to 25,000. Then huge empty pocket up to 25,200.
Yeah.
Phew. Just going big today.
Well, it's not every day we can call out 100-point trades and multiple 50, 60, 70-point trades in a row.
Beautiful trades, man. Beautiful trades.
So is this 67 going to be our support? Maybe, I don't know. I'm a little scared now, though, man. We had this nice big rush.
Right.
Nvidia turned around. Also, VIX dropped real nice, but now it's kind of at a support level, so.
So what do you have turned off over here? You have show order lines. Oh yeah, let's turn off show order lines. We don't need all that. Show trade lines? No, we want order lines. We don't want trade lines. Oh yeah, trade lines are gone. Nice. Let me keep it that. A little cleaner looking. Starting to form a little bit of a bull flag here. A little bit far away from the 9 though. So here's our 9, the green. That's what we usually like it to come back and tap.
Yeah, it was sitting right in there for a second.
Nvidia's still pushing. VIX is kind of losing its support, so VIX could be going down hard.
Yeah,
we're pushing up good right now, man.
Shucks.
But again, here we go. We're right at the 920s. Let's try the short at the 920s. See if Ocala is right. Let's see if he's right one more time. Bringing the stops down. Bringing the stops down. Out on both. Wanted to hold that a little bit better. I was just zoom again, man. These are big candles. You kind of forget, and then you gotta like zoom in once you're in the trade. You're like zoom, 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 zoom.
Yeah. Yeah, still trying to push.
Yep.
It is slowing down though, so.
Well, yeah, I mean, again, on the 1 hour, 943 is the top of those wicks on the 1 hour. Shoot, man, yeah, I almost want to. If it comes up to the 940s, I might try one, and I'll just try to hold like one of them for a little bit longer and see if we can't get a big rejection. Which, unfortunately, we're kind of, well, we're coming back to the 900s right now. Oh, are you short again? Or are you long?
Yeah, it just took me out though. Yeah, I took two right there. I sold one for like 10 points and then set the other one in break even.
Yep. Yep.
I was just trying to get back that money it took from me one candle ago. So.
Sons of a beaches. Yeah, we're at the 900s now. If we break the 890s, then we'd come down to the 870s. Yeah, I'm curious to see this stream afterwards to see how these the dual screen worked or how it looks. Like if maybe I'll have to make it a little bit bigger or something. But I thoroughly enjoy it, man. I think we found a really stinking good rhythm today.
Yeah.
And I'm very excited about it.
And we were getting nice volatility on the market, so.
Yeah. I think this setup's going to really respond to people too. I think that they're going to like seeing two screens at the same time. Like just two decisions at the same time. Even if we're, again, for the most part, following each other's trades. But there's, I think, one short that I took without you, or you took one long without me.
Yeah.
But yeah, it just kind of gives a little bit more verification.
Another nice little bull flag if it can play, but oh my, I want to short that, but I'm not a bear, so it's.
I'm not a bear though. I know. I really want to. I want to see a wick up to the 843s. I want to see an 843 wick first, and then I want to go short.
You know, we're just making that little shelf, kind of a reverse shelf in my mind, right there.
Yeah, of what we were doing earlier.
25,
you're right.
Yeah. But I mean, it's building out a bull flag. I see that. But.
Right. Yeah, and darn it, I'll have to get going soon too.
So 907 to 925. So a little 18-point range on the candles there.
Yeah. And still trying to push up. Just hitting a little resistance. I mean, I guess I either want to see a wick down to like the 854 so I can go long, or I want to see a quick wick up to the 940s so I can do a quick short.
I mean, we want something to happen right here. We'd like to be in the right way, but.
Hey, Chop Trader agrees with us. Great luck with both screens. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
And can you see the, I mean, my issue is on the screen that I have the OBS, whatever, that I'm streaming everything on. I can't quite make out. Like, I keep asking Trading Cowboy, I'm like, are you in a long or are you in a short right now? Because I can't actually see if it's a, you know, a red or a green. On your screen, can you see it? Can you see it a little bit better because it's blown up? Like, hopefully you can easily tell, you know, what trade direction we're in and what profit and loss, you know, quantities, all that kind of stuff. Perfect. I love it, man.
Yes,
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Nice.
So here we go, pushing through the 9 a little bit. Let's see if we get that support at the 21 like we talked about. 855s or support at the bodies here at 847.
Wow, I mean, what a nice 60-point drop right there.
Yeah, what a nice short that would have been, right? I know.
Yeah,
Man.
I wanted it. I just y'all gotta push me into those shorts. Y'all know that, right?
Yeah, I know it, man. I was same thing, dude. I was like, shoot. I mean, 940 if we could just get a little wick, and then I never got the wick, and I know it.
Y'all tell me long, I just click the button. I don't even have to see what the chart is.
Yeah. Let's do it.
I gotta talk me through it, and come on, man, it'll be okay.
Yeah, right. Well, so now let's see. Let's see if we get a wick up to the 9, 878. If it starts rejecting, maybe shorts are still the way.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we kind of want it to build out right now and get a couple green candles in front of us if we're going to push back up. But
we're getting a brand new 5-minute candle in 30 seconds here. Came down to the 820s.
A little bit of support right here.
Everything's kind of sinking. Man, I'm so tempted. We have a brand new 5-minute candle though in 1 second here, so let's be a little patient. We're down at the 45. Almost at the top of our 15. Oh shoot, and you're in a short right now, aren't you?
No, I just went long right there.
I just went short. No! See, I couldn't see it.
Baby. Hey, that's the smartest move I've seen you make.
Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Oh no. Man, I was looking good for half a second there too. Man, I was thinking too because we were at the 820, so it would just make sense that we would pop even though we were selling off. You know, a quick little pop would have made sense.
Get above those 825s for it to be valid, but
yeah,
I was just banking on those previous shoulders. It took us so long to get through that 825 that it may hold right there, but
yeah, I got out already.
I'm out of
it. What time is it? 10:40. So here's our new 1-minute candle. If we get a nice green candle, man, you might be looking good.
I mean, this is where you should have been waiting right here, not where I got in too early, but
yeah.
But we'll see if she plays.
There we go. That's a good looking green.
Oh, come on.
So now literally your setup though would be if the very next candle, you know, hopefully this goes a little higher. Next candle hopefully comes down, wicks the 820s again or something, then we might have a real strong push up.
In the 830s roughly.
Yeah.
And don't leave without us. Stops will be below here. I'd probably still have my stop around the 800, but
yeah.
I tried to just straight run off, so kind of left without us for sure. Kind of had the same deal, just had a super small body. Came back and retested. Our 820s is our support for right now. So
yeah.
Let's make sure that 21 wick wasn't just for a continuation down.
Still got 15 seconds. Taking so long.
It does.
Well, that was a little longer than 15, 20 seconds, but yeah. Oh man, yeah, still looking weak actually. Real weak,
Yeah,
looking
we're-
real
we're
weak.
down. Yeah.
Man, I kind of fumbled that FOMO buy there, but I was thinking we'd get a real quick continuation push. Yeah, that was a bad buy on my part.
You don't have to tell a bull. Well, stop me out already. Man, I really thought we were going to get that big push.
Yeah. No, I did the exact opposite though, man. I continued the short.
Oh, you shorted it.
Yeah. Yeah, because it started just lawn darting, so I thought I'd get a good momentum push, which, man, I've reminded myself so many stinking times, stop chasing trades, stop chasing trades, stop chasing trades.
Right, yeah. And that's what's hard too. A 1 minute candle, you know what it's going to do, and if it does it too fast, you're like, dang, now I got to wait 60 seconds.
Ugh.
And you always wonder on that show, they say gone in 60 seconds, you know, and you're like, how can you steal a car in 60 seconds? Well, when you wait on a 60-second NQ candle, you understand that's a long time.
Man, that's a lifetime. You're right, man, it's a lifetime. Oh,
All right,
God.
let's get a small push up, and let's see if we can go back down to these 760s, maybe?
Yeah.
And it may pop right here, but
Well, Nvidia's kind of past the point of being a popish, I feel like. I feel like Nvidia's getting heavy. VIX is starting to go up. ES is getting heavy. Qs are getting heavy. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to just, even if it's one, I just want to hold it because I think I'm right. Well, I think we're both right, right? Maybe we get a pop
I mean,
back
I wanted
up.
that little bitty push up right here, and then I wanted that clean rejection.
Yeah.
They're really fighting right now because this 15-minute candle's fixing to close. There's your nice push.
There we go.
Push on down for him.
There we go. Come on.
Come on,
Keep it
760 is
going.
what we said. Come on.
Keep it going. Yeah. Kept it tight. Down 166. Man, friggin' battle at my first 2 trades were terrible trades. Every trade since then has been a decent trade.
Nice bangers, yeah.
Yeah, we were down.
Sure.
We're down 700. Now we're only down 160. That's a win. Man, I gotta get going too. I really don't want to this time actually. But today's the day we're about to pull all the scaffolding down too. So today's a bad day for me to be later.
Well, hey, guys, thanks for coming by. Thanks for trading with us, for sure. What a day. We'll have to go back and add that up, but I mean, it looks like we got ended 1376 up for the day.
Hell yeah, dude.
$112 from passing this eval.
Hell yeah.
So,
dude, brilliant day, man.
Divided by 2. What is that, like 600 points, 650 points we got today, guys?
Beautifully done, man. Beautifully done. You got a 100-point trade, a 50-point trade right after it, and then just honestly, I couldn't even keep track of how many 50 and 60-point trades you had after that, man. It was just boom, 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 boom. Damn. Which again, it just shows you. So, you know, generally speaking, Trading Cowboy trades NQ. He switched over to MNQ to kind of show us what you could do with it. And look at this. I mean, the dude's just taking 1, 2, 3 micros at a time, and it just shows you how much you can actually, you know, do with that. That's pretty damn impressive. Yeah. As this short is still friggin' shorting, man.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, this is the first kind of good day of trading now, where we're getting good continual movements and everything. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Man, as always, it's just like, should there be one more? Should there be one more? Like, no, Greg, just leave. You gotta leave.
I mean, honestly, yes, but at the same time, we need to get that freaking fireplace done so we can have all day if we need.
Exactly, man. So we can actually start banging this shit out. Yeah, I know, man. It should be next Friday. By next Friday was kind of the date we gave ourselves, which I think we're basically there. So cool, man. But yeah, I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Stay green on this lovely Friday. Hop over to Trading Cowboy. I'm sure he'll keep killing it this afternoon.
Yeah,
Next
guys, come see
Monday, I think we should do that, man. Maybe next Monday we'll both start with Freshie 50s and we'll do a payout challenge. Not, again, not a competition. We're not competing. But it'll be togetherness, kind of like we got to this afternoon where, we're really helping out each other's trades. We're helping out, the chat. And I think as, a collective group here, that would be phenomenal if we could get everybody to pass an eval and get a payout in the same week and see how many of our subscribers we can get, on board with us at the same time. Which, as you're seeing, it's not honestly the easiest thing to copy trades sometimes, because look at me. I'm trying to copy Trading Cowboy for a lot of my trades because he's a really freaking good trader, and why not? And his level of success today was higher than mine. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see the mixture of success and everything, but I'm very excited about it. I think it's going to be a very cool challenge. And hell
it'll
yeah.
be too fun.
Cool. Do you want to say anything on the way out, bud?
No, hey guys, giddy up. Come see us over at the tack room, probably around 11:30 my time.
Hell yeah.
About 2 hours from now.
Hell yeah. Good. Just give the market a little bit of time to recover from that beating, just so he can beat it a little bit more, Yeah,
we'll let it run to urgent care, and then we'll meet back up with it here in a little bit.
I love it, man. I love it. All right. Thank you guys to death. We love you. Have a good Friday. We'll see you again on Monday. You.